Hello guys, welcome to SMC tutorials. So today we'll be discussing on how to get started on Simple Tap Telegram mining. So Simple already has an exchange. So they launched an airdrop on Telegram where you can tap to mine and also farm to mine. The link to the Telegram mining will be dropped in the description box under this video. So let's open our Telegram. When you click on the link, this is what it will show you. What you need to do is click on start. When you click on start, it will show you hi, welcome and all that. Then click on start now. Allow this to launch this web, you will connect it to its website. Start. So you need to enter your email address to get started. Then continue. That's all. So this is how it works. You can start farming. Click on start farming when you register newly. And the farming is for 8 hours. So after 8 hours, you come back here to claim your coins. And the tapping part, it's 100 taps. You click on it. Tap it, tap everything. Then check up on it. If it's full, tap it again. So you see these tasks, click on the tasks. Perform all these tasks. Join Simple Telegram. Let's check out their Telegram channel. As you can see, they have about 672.2k subscribers. They have a huge community. So you need to start now. To get more coins, click on join and join. They started this month, so the airdrop is still very new. Like it's still new for you to get more coins. Perform all these tasks. Join them on X. And it also requires you to download their app. See, join Simple app. Just download the app. Let's check the app on Play Store. Download the app on Play Store and register. Then you come back here to click on check. When you click on check, you'll be rewarded for downloading the app. This is their app on Google Play Store. They already have an exchange where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. Yes, it on Play Store. Let's go back. So guys, about the boost parts is not yet available. It's coming soon. As I said, the app is still very new. It's coming soon. For the invite, you can invite only 50 friends. You can invite just 50 friends. You cannot invite more than 50 friends. So share your link with people that you know that will be active in the mining. Will be very active. So that's how it works. It's very simple. As you can see, the timer is at the top left. It's 7 hours 58 minutes remaining, where you mine every 8 hours. That's how to go about it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching, guys.